Hello everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique again. I'm sitting outside right now with Ella, and while I'm sitting out here this morning, I thought I'd do just a quick little video. Was doing some organizing this morning, getting her stuff together, and I thought I'd come on here and just share this with you. I had this little organizing basket that I had from Dollar Tree, and at one time I was using it for some stuff in my craft room, and I'm not going to be using it in there anymore, so I've got some other baskets I use because I use, everything in there I want, purples. I got plenty of purple baskets that I've collected. So anyway, and then I thought, well, my daughter might use it. She likes blue, but she hasn't found a purpose for it. So I thought, well, I know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to use this for Ella's supplies, because I've been trying to figure out some way to gather up all of her supplies and just keep it all together for when we bathe her and groom her and, do all that fun stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. See, we've got all of her little brushes and grooming tools, her nail clippers and stuff like that right here, and her little, try to brush her teeth, so I got her little toothbrush and her little dog toothpaste and stuff like that. And this is some ear medicine that the vet gave us because she's had an ear infection, and so we use that on her still sometimes, like when we give her bath to keep her from getting an ear infection. We can still use that. A couple of little soft towels for her. This is real good for her shedding. It's called a Firmerator. Love this thing. Really great. And really gets the hair. This isn't too bad. It's called a Pet Zoom. And it works pretty good too. But this Firmerator my daughter got, and it's really good. And then she got these mitts too, and it's just like you can put them on and pet her, and it'll get the hair off also. And you can also use it to wash her. So we use these also when we're washing her, and it also will pick up, using this side, you can use it to pick up the hair off of like your clothes or the furniture or something. So that's really neat. So but then we've got like just some regular shampoo and no, I'm sorry, I got the regular deodorizing shampoo here, and then I think this may be the de-shedding, or am I, yeah, this is the de-shedding shampoo right here. So we got that. So, and then this is just like a little, nail grinder and some other old brushes and a nail file, and then just a couple of nail clippers here. So I've got that now all handy in one little carry basket, and I can keep that all together now, safely tucked away in one of the closets. So when we need all of her stuff, I can just pull the little basket out and we have it all together, and we're not hunting for it. So I'm glad I was able to finally find something to put it in and put a good use to this basket that was just sitting there being unused. So I just wanted to share that with you and show you how I got all this now put together, and it wasn't just scattered here and there, because I had like some stuff upstairs, some stuff downstairs, so now it's all together and it'll be in one spot. So just wanted to share that with you. If you like this video and want to see more organizing videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and thank you for watching, and have a very blessed day.